everything here on Garageless. I just got this brand new action camera, AKASO v50 Pro. Got Wi-Fi, touchscreen, all that good stuff. And then it came with all this extra stuff. This was $111 for all that, which isn't bad. I think the camera by itself is $90. So hopefully there's $15 and $20 worth of stuff in there. So I'm gonna open this up and we'll check it out. Alright, so here's all the stuff that comes with the AKASO itself. Without even opening that package, there's a lot of stuff you get. So it already seems like a good deal. You get an extra battery, which is nice. You get that dual charger. And then there's all this other stuff. I'm not gonna say it all right now. I'll just put like a list on the screen so you can see everything that comes with it. Because one, I don't know what half of this is called, but it's like the bike mount. Got the waterproof. It has extra backing, that thing. Got a Bluetooth remote, which is pretty cool. Probably won't use it, but it's cool to have it. So now I will open up that and see what all the extra stuff is. Alright, and here's the other package unboxed. There's a lot of stuff, and it's a good deal. I would have to say that for now, without even trying that. But we got like a chest mount, head mount, wrist, extra mounts. We got one of these bendy boys. Got an extension for like a helmet, I think it is. Here's a hat clip. And then we got some extra, I think these came in the first one too. And then some extra stickers. So yeah, and then this for water. So that seems like a pretty good deal. And I plugged in the batteries over there. So they're both charging. They were already like 3/4 charge, it looks like. But I'm gonna charge them up and test out the camera. And first impressions on this is looks pretty nice. It's got like a little rubbery feel to it. The touchscreen's nice, responsive. It's nice not having to use just the buttons, but you can if you want, I guess. And I've got the 128 gigabyte SSD in there, or micro SD. So it says it'll last 12 hours on 1080p at 60 frames, which is a long time. So I'll get some testing done. I'll put that in this video. And yeah, so I'll let the battery charge for a little while and then give it a test. See you in a little bit. Alright, this is a last little test because I watched the video for the time lapse and it looked pretty good. So I just want to try the image stabilization and the voice, see how good it sounds. I have it turned down to 75% for the microphone because you can adjust that. But we'll just give it a little test around the cars here Make sure the image stabilization is working good. Look at this hot rod. What a Monaco. 440 in her. She'll do a burnout. And we got this thing. LS soon. I'm ready for it. A little windy, so we'll see if it catches that. But yeah, this is going to be it before I head over to Stevens. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.